After trying different methods of self development, I discovered the incredible power of journaling for my highly sensitive nature. Journaling gave me a safe and non judgmental outlet to let go of the thoughts and emotions I had been carrying for a long time. If you are a highly sensitive person, you understand the weight of the thoughts and emotions I'm talking about. When I first thought about starting a journal, I hesitated because I didn't think I was a good writer. I had doubts about whether writing down my thoughts would actually make a difference. I was also confused that if I put all my negative thoughts on paper, it might make me feel even more negative. But soon I realized that whether I spoke those negative thoughts aloud or kept them in my mind, they would still have a negative impact on my life. Writing them down actually provided a way to acknowledge and confront them, which was a crucial step toward dealing with them effectively. So I started journaling every day right after waking up. With my journal and pen beside my bed, I began writing whatever that came to my mind. I tried to keep it long because I knew it could show me the deep parts of me. Every day, I wrote 4 pages or more, but never less. Consistently journaling for a few months brought several benefits for me. 1. It helped me recognize hidden patterns of behavior, emotions, and thoughts that negatively impacted my life without my conscious awareness. 2. Through journaling, I acknowledged and understood the value of my emotions and their significant role in my overall well being. 3. Journaling provided a space for self acceptance and encouraged me to embrace my sensitivity as a blessing rather than a burden or disadvantage. 4. It allowed me to understand my own needs and preferences as a highly sensitive person. By writing honestly, I found out which activities, environments, and relationships energized me and which one drained me. This was a very important point for me as a highly sensitive person. 6. Reflecting on my experiences as a highly sensitive person helped me recognize triggers that led to feelings of overwhelm, anxiety, or overstimulation. This awareness empowered me to make conscious choices about my environment, relationships, and self care practices. 7. I could identify aspects of my life that were aligned with my sensitive nature and make intentional decisions to cultivate a more supportive and nurturing environment. 8. Journaling showed me the person I had become and guided me from that self to my original self, the highly sensitive person I was born to be. Over time, my journal became a sincere friend who listened to me without judgment, condemnation, or betrayal. It became an attentive audience, something nobody else offered at the time. My journal was a sacred space, and I didn't want to share it with anyone. You shouldn't share your journal with anyone too. It became my kind of like sanctuary where no one else was allowed to enter. Now, here are some tips on how to journal. 1. Begin journaling every day right after waking up. This is very important. By making it a morning practice, you can start your day with a clear mind and a fresh perspective. It also helps to turn it into a habit. It is often easier to follow an existing habit than to start a task every day. 2. Keep your journal and pen next to your bed so you wouldn't have any excuses not to do it. So you want them to be accessible when you wake up. As soon as you open your eyes, start writing whatever that comes to your mind. Try to write at least 4 to 5 pages to allow for a deeper exploration of your thoughts and emotions. If you ever feel like you need to process an emotion or talk to someone without judgment, you can also journal at other times of the day. It is a safe way to express yourself and find comfort when you need it. Remember, consistency is the key to developing any habit, so be consistent. Don't get out of bed before completing your journaling session. You will reap the benefits of journaling soon. Just keep going. 4. Write freely and without judgment. There is no need to worry about grammar, spelling, or punctuation. Your journal is a safe space for self expression. So let go of any self criticism and allow your thoughts and feelings to flow onto the pages. 5. When you write in your journal, remember to be honest with yourself. This is so very important. Don't hold back or censor your words. Write from the heart and let your true thoughts and emotions come to the surface. Honesty is the key to unlocking deeper insights and personal growth. 6. If you have some extra time, consider adding additional benefits to your journaling practice. You can make a list of things you are grateful for or write positive affirmation to uplift your mood. Adding drawing to your writing can also make it fun and creative. One great addition in my experience is to write your intention for the day. It helps set a positive focus and guides your actions for the day. 7. After a few months of journaling, revisit your previous journals. Set aside some time to read and reflect on them. As you go through them, try to detach yourself from any judgment or criticism. Instead, be an observer to gain new perspective on your life and personal growth. And please don't get overwhelmed if you see much negativity in your writing. We have to go through this to grow. I hope you start journaling as soon as you can and benefit from it as I did. If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time.